Hello everyone, I'm Ben and I will be the international coordinator for Machiavelli next year. That means I will be organizing all the international trips Machiavelli is going on to. We are really going to really diverse locations that goes from Brussels, Berlin, Kaliningrad, Gdansk to even countries like Iran. But I can't do that without my international committees. These committees are really fun. They're usually 3 to 5 people. They're really creative and social atmosphere, and you can even go with your committee members on a trip after. It's really nice to find friends there. Yeah. And you will have to contact embassies, you will organize a transport, you will organize a recommendation, really pretty much everything we need for our trip. If that already interested you, you can write now to international at fvmachiavelli.nl. But if you're not convinced yet, I will give now my stage to some ex-committee members who want to tell you about their experience in the international committees.
Hi guys, I'm Davey. I'm a third year and I've been a part of the Bardal trip committee last year, and this year I'm part of the first trip committee, which is going to be fun. Why should you be part of the trip committee? Well, first of all, it's a great way to make new friends. When I joined the committee last year, I was like, ooh, who am I going to meet? What is this going to be like? And then in the end, I had 5 great new friends. And yeah, of course, the trips are great. And the trips are very versatile because when you're thinking about going on a trip, you have to be very creative because Machiavelli never goes to ordinary places. For example, last year we were planning on going to Kazakhstan, and we went to Poland and Russia. And well, yeah, we're a committee member. It's not just going on a trip. It's not just hiking or partying. It's everything. It is hiking, it is partying, but it's also going to, for example, a Reuters headquarters. So yeah, it's very creative and it's everything in one.
Hi guys, I'm Max and I'm going to be a third year's political science student next year. I've been going on a lot of Machiavelli trips and they've always been a lot of fun. It's a great way to meet new friends, and it's also a great way to go to places that you probably wouldn't go yourself. For instance, last year we were working on a trip to Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, which was a very fun experience. Even though it couldn't go through because of the corona measures, I still had a lot of fun preparing it and being in touch with the embassies and the tour guides.